Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a designer looking to level up your skills in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to make animation in Figma, one of the most powerful tools for creating interactive prototypes. Figma has evolved a lot, with new features making animations smoother and more intuitive than ever. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this step-by-step guide will help you bring your designs to life quickly and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have Figma open and ready to go. Start by creating a new file or opening an existing one. Let's build a simple animation for a button click. Begin by designing your elements. Draw a button frame and any interactive components you want to animate. Remember, Figma's interface is user-friendly, so navigate to the Design tab to add shapes, text, and colors. Now, switch over to the Prototype tab. That's where the magic happens. Select your element, like the button, and click on the plus icon to add an interaction. Choose what triggers the animation, such as a tap or hover. For the animation itself, select from options like Move, Scale, or Fade. In 2025, Figma's updated tools let you fine-tune these with ease, including new easing options for more natural movements. Next, customize your animation properties. Set the duration, maybe 0.5 seconds for a quick fade in, and experiment with easing curves to make it feel polished. Preview your animation by hitting the play button in the prototype view. If it doesn't look right, tweak the settings and test again. Figma allows real-time collaboration, so if you're working with a team, they can see your changes instantly. Once you're happy with your animation, export it as a video or share the prototype link. This is perfect for presentations or client feedback. And there you have it, your very own Figma animation. Practice with more complex designs, like full-page transitions, to really master the tool. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next video.